If you don't know who we are, Best People Movers is a family business located in Sydney, Australia, and I am the owner's daughter, Ksenia. That's Ksenia. So what even is proximity? Why do you need it? It's convenient. Let's take a look. As you can tell, it's super convenient, especially if you're holding a baby, or if you have a bunch of kids around you nagging you, or if you've got shopping bags, stuff like that. So how do you start it? I'm going to demonstrate. What you do is you have to make sure that the key is inside the cabin. So she's coming in now. And then you have to put your foot on the brake and you have to put your finger on the start-stop button. And now I'm going to stop it. Excellent. If your car runs out of battery, there's a little thing down here where you can just pull this thing and you can take this key out and you can unlock it physically. Another little hack, if your key runs out of batteries, then you will need to replace them with these. But if you can't at that moment, if you're stuck somewhere in the bush, then you just got to put your proximity key very close to the stop start button and then it should turn on and you'll be right. There you go, that's how to use a proximity key. They're so great and everyone that uses them enjoys them. They don't really break, they're just really great, and it's so much easier than using just like a normal key where you have to like unlock it like a house door. So really great feature to have on a car. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, like the video, follow our Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. See you next week.